Welcome back. Fathodda MLA Vijay Sardessai says infrastructure to host Lusofonia games is incomplete in Goa. He feels statements made by Sports Minister are to misguide the Goans. Earlier, Ramesh Tavarkar had said that if organizers do not allow hoisting of Indian flag, then government is not interested in hosting Lusofonia games.
First, you have to cleanse the sports bodies of corrupt people. So this has nothing to do with Lusofonia games organizing in Goa. हे जे विधान आसा कोण आमचे स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टराचें हें एक बरें प्रतीक की नाचूंक कळना आनी मागीर आंगण वांकडें म्हणप म्हणून लुसोफेनिया गेम्स जावपाक ताजेर जर एक डावट जाला इट इज ओन्ली बिकॉज द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट रेडी आनी हाजे खातीर आमच्या सरकारान रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक जाय.
Already Lusofonia games are in the news over delay in infrastructure, but Vijay says it's just a gimmick to hide the defects.
This is a very typical BJP strategy. लोकांक दिशाभूल करप, खंयचो भलतोच इशू तयार करप, when actually the issue is the inability to prepare all the stadiums and make the infrastructure ready.
International Olympic Association has suspended Indian Olympic Association's approval. Goa government will convey its concern over hosting of national flag to the ACOLAP meeting scheduled on 22nd September in Macau. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
JMFC court has extended police remand of Norman Fernandez for 1 more week. Norman is a prime accused in the Santa Cruz double murder case. Police pleaded to the court to extend his remand, saying that the investigation is still inconclusive.
After completion of 6 days of police remand, Old Goa Police on Saturday produced accused Norman Fernandez before the JMFC court at Panji. Police informed the court that the investigation is in the midway and pleaded for extension of Norman's police remand. The court extended police remand for Norman till 20th of September. The charge on the accused Norman Fernandez is that he killed his sister Noreen Vaz and her mother-in-law Orita Vaz on 2nd September. He had also attacked his brother-in-law Edgar Vaz, who survived in the attack. Norman has confessed his crime before the police, but police is yet to establish the role of an accused who was allegedly accompanying Norman on fateful night on September 2nd. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Incidents of anti-social elements targeting chapels are on the rise. Statue of St. Joseph is missing from the chapel. Honored chair for the priest is also missing. The miscreants entered the chapel by breaking the back door. The incident came to fore when locals visited the chapel on Saturday evening. This is the second incident in Salsett within 2 days.
आम्ही भितर हांवें देर उगडले दोनी चाय काडल्यो भितर एंटर जाल्ल्या थिंग एक स्टॅच्यू फुटलो चयलो सोन्यात म्हणल्यार ती समजलो सगळे स्टॅच्यू वयले न्हू आमगे पांच दिकरा पळयले गेले आनी पांच दिकरा हें मागीर आमी घाट मारल्यो घाट लोकांक एकठांय केलो हिंगा आनी फादर येतरीच फादरान पुलिसेक रिपोर्ट केले पूण चोरी बेश कांय ना चोरी कांय जालें ना.
The main chair where the priest used to sit now on the altar, the altarache astale, that is gone, a carved chair, that is gone.
7 statues were missing, and then at once I reported to the police, and they came, and at present we have the dog squad with us. A report, a complaint has been filed to the police station, Kokoli police station.
Mugi constituency second time zale आता first willing to leg and second case असोना बांधा थोडे white elements असे ते आमगेले community disturb करपास होते.
Can police patrol inch and inch of everything?
So what local intelligence should be aware, no? Local intelligence units have failed totally.
Ek minute. Intelligence definitely has to be built up. It is not as good as it was earlier about 15-20 years ago. That is always known. But more important, this particular case, today's case, was noticed by the local people also in the afternoon.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
In an unfortunate mishap, a woman died after a wall collapsed of an old house in Parra. She died while on her way to the district hospital. Meanwhile, 7 passengers were injured when a bus mounted on a divider at Giri. The driver claims that he tried to save a vehicle and his passengers.
It was a tragic incident on Saturday. A house situated close to Parra Panchayat collapsed, killing a woman aged 45 years. Gangabai Shirtode breathed her last while on her way to district hospital in Mapsa.
हांगा एक ओल्ड स्ट्रक्चर आहा ती बायल हॉटेलान काम करताली ती लाकडां काडूंक येयल्ली दिसता म्हाका आनी ती ओडटा तेन्ना पोटान ओडले आसतले आनी आख्खे ते वॉलूच पडले ते तिजेर and we came to know after some time and we called JCB and fire brigade.
Meanwhile, 7 passengers were injured in a bus mishap on Saturday. Luckily, there are no casualties. Injured passengers were shifted to district hospital in Mapsa. Driver of the bus says he applied brakes to save another vehicle and his passengers.
Black color स्विफ्ट बारीक नंबराचे आसले म्हाका झपकन दिसोंक ना कित्याक नंबर बारीक आसता सामके आतां ब्रेक मारना फुडें हांवें ब्रेक मारलो कित्याक सगळ्यांकूच वाटोंक जाय न्हू ताका लागून ब्रेक मारिना फुडें गाडी ती वयर चडली ब्रेक मारून हांगा उबी केली
आनी
पॅसेंजराक कोणाक काय सांगना पॅसेंजराक हांवें दुसरे गाडयेन मागीर धाडले
हितून कोणाक काय मेजर इंजुरी अशें काय ना बारीक कोणाक मायनर इंजुरीज आयला स्क्रॅचीज आनी ब्रुजीस आनी ताका हितून हॉस्पिटलान ताका शिफ्ट केला 1 बेड आनी ताचे बाकीचे आमी पंचनामा करता रोड क्लियर केला कितके पॅसेंजर कितके एक 7 लोक मातशे मार लागला म्हणटा 7 लोक टोटल पॅसेंजर आशिल्ले कितके पॅसेंजर अरावंड 12 आशिल्ले 12 आनी 7 लोक मातशे मार लागला आतां तो टायमींग मातसो स्लॅक टायमींग न्ही 12 सो ते टायमार व्हडले रश आवर्स बी ना सो खाली आशिल्ले बस.
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.